Andrea team was funded and created by Art Engineering, courtesy of Lualati Oaks. Sarah is a professional model of dance.
Và tổ cũng nó là lưỡi nó thì sẽ là quá cái biết rồi.
Our next model, Janice Angel. This model always another place just alive.
Jadi dari sana mereka nampak apa kau ya nampak lalu ini kamu sisi lawan yang apa?
Her outfit is big. The outfit has been prepared by Big Green and Motown. There you are, ladies and gentlemen, the categories of the 60s. Thank you, ladies. Sorry, our last model. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, girls. Ladies, very welcome to the 60s. And our final category, ladies wearing wardrobes of the 19th or modern. First model on stage.
Ya, oleh koma ini nak oleh masuk altaan oleh nak untuk sisi latihan.
Thank you, ceremony. Our second model, all the way from United States of America. Very modern.
Kasi masuk masuk kuah by 100 meters. Let's see.
Thank you, Ruby. And our third model, all the way from Italy. This was the ending gown of Miss Russia when she became Miss World. Which is our person in the catwalk, a black, old, simple, and very elegant black ending gown.
Oye, ini panggil oye, ini orang macam ini orang macam apa?
Our next model, again, very Janice Angel. Thank you, Janice Angel. Just hear me.
Masuk panggil oye ini masuk macam.
Olivia is wearing a very sexy, elegant outfit. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. How about a round of applause? Oh, sorry, one more model. Sorry, all but missed this model from South Africa. Okay, there you are, ladies and gentlemen, models from the ladies, the 90s, and modern. Thank you, girls.
Ya, que no haya pues, no hay pues, también mi uno, el paso de sí, para la